Hey, how's it going? Jose here. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom Zoom background for your Zoom meetings. We're doing a lot more Zoom meetings nowadays, obviously, due to COVID-19. And I want to share with you how you can create your own custom Zoom background so that people do not have to see what's going on behind you. So you can do this absolutely for free using canva.com. So if you go to canva.com, you can sign up under the free program and you'll be able to do this. So once you get access to your account, you'll hit create design. You can do custom dimensions and it's going to be 1920 width by 1080 height. And then you're going to select create design. That's going to open up a new window for you, or a new tab, to create your Zoom background. So first, you're going to go ahead on the left hand side here. You have all your controls and all your options of what you can place onto the canvas. This is the canvas here, this white section. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a background. Once you go to background, they have tons of free. You have a bunch of different colors if you just wanted a solid color. They have tons of different gradients and backgrounds that you could use for yours. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this simple. I'll just go ahead and pick this for now. And we're going to go ahead and create the background. So that's our background there as far as the solid image. Now we want to add our information to it so that people can know who we are, the company we work for, whatever information we want to place on there. So we're going to start with a heading. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change this color by hitting up here and changing it to white. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this to place my name. It's really big. I don't want it to hit my head while I am speaking. So this all has to be kind of along the side, very similar to how they would do it in the news, to the side of the person's head. So we're going to just adjust that. We'll make that like that. Then the other thing you may want to do is add your social media. So we're going to go ahead and go to elements. We're going to go ahead and you can actually do a search. I recently did a search, but I'm going to go ahead and do it all over. So we'll do Facebook. It's going to pull up different elements for Facebook. These are all free. So let's pick one. We'll pick this one here. Then you can adjust the size of it. So just remember what size you adjust it to so you can adjust the other ones the same size. So we'll make this one 10 by 110. We'll say we'll place this here for now. Let's also get the Instagram one. Let's pick this one. Let's go to 110, 110, so they're the same size. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get it just right. There we go. We'll align that. Now we want to add our handles to that. So we'll just go back to text. We can use subheading. We'll change that color also to white so that you'll be able to read it. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my handles in here. So this is my Facebook one. So we'll just put that there. I'm just going to go ahead and also duplicate that one since my other handle is very similar for Instagram. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to get rid of the number 1 and then just realign it. Boom, there's that. So then I can also, if I want, you can upload images here and then you can add your logo. So if you have your company logo, you can add it in there. All right, so we'll select the company logo, add it in there, adjust the size. This isn't the color. I would choose a white logo, but that's what I have right now uploaded. And let's say we put that over on this side. All right, the white logo would look much better. So what we can also do is then say we want to try a different background, see what it looks like with a different background, we could do that. Here's this gray. Here's what this looks like. Here's what that looks like. Here's what this looks like. You can easily just change the background, find something you like. Once you find something that you like, you can always adjust the colors as well. But once you have exactly all the information that you want to be displayed, keep in mind that you need to leave room for your body and your head and all that so that this isn't getting covered up. This may not be the right size, but we're going to go ahead and just go with it for right now, just as a demonstration. And then once you have everything in place, you're going to come up here to the right next to publish. There's a little download arrow. You'll select that, PNG, download. And then that's going to go ahead and prepare your design and download the file. Next, I'll show you how to actually upload it to your Zoom. All right. Now, once you have your file already created and you've downloaded it, then you would go to Zoom and you would be able to upload it. Or you can either upload it like this way, or you can upload it when you get onto your next meeting. That's up to you. I just go ahead and hit new meeting though. Once I hit new meeting, it automatically pulls up what I currently have. When people actually see this, it's not cut off. They actually see everything. It's just this pre-screen before you actually join a meeting. But what you'll do is you'll come down here right next to the video. You'll hit the up arrow, and then you'll hit choose virtual background. And then that will allow you to go ahead and hit this little plus sign here. And then you can add image. And then you would just upload that image that you created. So now you'll see there's the new image. So based on how big I made it, I may want to go back and adjust it. So there you can see kind of where I would have to be positioned. My microphone is right here, which is what blocks my arm, which is why you don't see my arm here. As soon as I move that out of the way, you can see it. But that's how you create it. And then once you change it to that, you just close this out. And when you actually join a meeting, they will see your background. That's how you create a Zoom background for your business, for your personal brand, so that you can hide what's going on behind you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. And if you know someone who this could benefit, make sure to share it. And as always, until the next one,